Jai Hind friends, welcome back to Saraswati Shikshakund Bagwala Board. So dear students, as we completed fourth chapter in our last offline video, in today's video we are going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is Add the Supermarket. So we will learn so many things when we visit supermarket. What are the things we speak? Generally we speak so many things when we visit supermarket. So yes, generally we go for shopping. So first of all, we will discuss what are the things you want to buy from the supermarket, how will you ask for the price and all. Okay. So first of all, we will discuss before starting this chapter, what will we learn from this chapter. So we will listen and learn names of things that can be bought at the supermarket. We can buy so many things from the supermarket, so we will make a list of the different items. What can we buy from the supermarket? Learn to ask questions using how much and how many. Okay, how much and how many. How to ask questions using these phrases. How much and how many. That also we will learn. We will learn to make a request and ask for help. So if you want help of someone, how to ask, and if you want permission from someone, so how to ask in English, that also we will discuss in this video. We will learn to say words with initial cluster WR, and we will learn to say words beginning with consonant sounds R and practice vowel sound E. So these many things we will get to learn from this chapter. So let us start with the first activity. Here in this activity, what you have to do, you have to make a list of the things that you want to buy from the supermarket. Make a list of things you want to buy at the supermarket. So first of all, you have to decide what are the things you want to buy from the supermarket. So you have to write down the names of the items here, and after that we will discuss if you want to buy that particular thing, how to ask for the price and how to bargain with the vendors. That also we will discuss in this video. So let us discuss another activity. So dear students, I hope you completed your previous activity. Now let us discuss this activity. Here in this picture you can see this boy wants to buy something from the market. Okay, so now what we have to do, we will listen to the audio. In this, Jubin goes to a supermarket and he asks the salesperson to help him find a few things. Listen to their conversation. Here, Jubin is the boy who wants to buy something from the supermarket, and here salesperson will help him, will guide him to find these things from the market. So we will listen to this audio first of all. So let us listen to the audio.
Zubin goes to a supermarket. He asks the salesperson to help him find a few things. Listen to their conversation.
Excuse me, I need some help.
Yes, sir. How may I help you?
I want to buy some eggs.
The eggs are on the shelf on your right.
I also need a shampoo, a soap, and a toothbrush.
They are on the shelf behind you.
Could you also help me find oil, flour, and pasta?
All the kitchen items are in the kitchen department at the back of the store.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is there something else I can help you find?
No, thank you.
I hope you listen to this audio carefully, and the next activity is based on the same audio track. I am not going to make you listen that audio again because we have already listened to it now. What you have to do in this activity, listen to it again and circle the things that Jubin wants to buy. So from this list, you have to circle the things what he wants to buy from the market. So for example, he wanted to buy eggs. So what you have to do, you have to circle this item. So in the same way, you have to listen to it again, and you have to circle all the things that he wanted to buy from that particular market. Now let us discuss another activity. I hope you will be able to find out all the things that he wanted to buy from the market, and you have to circle on 8. So let us discuss another activity. we have one another activity, and in this activity also we have an audio track. So what will be there in that audio? Listen to John and Nidhi make a shopping list. John and Nidhi both are friends and they are making a list of the shopping. Listen to them carefully and fill in the quantity of the things they want to buy. How much they want to buy, that you have to note down in this table. One is done for you. See, this is the list of the things they want to buy from the market, and how much they want to buy, that you will get to learn from this audio track. For example, rice. How much rice he wants to buy? How much rice they want to buy from the market? So that answer will be there in the audio track. So for that, let us listen to this audio and try to find all the answers from the audio. So let us listen to it now.
Listen to John and Nidhi make a shopping list. Listen to them carefully and fill in the quantity of the things they want to buy. One is done for you. John, let's make our shopping list.
Sure. What do I like first?
2 kilos of sugar.
Okay.
3 kilos of rice.
We need oil too.
Yes, 4 liters oil and 2 liters milk.
Okay. Let's buy some fruits too.
Okay, let's take 6 bananas, 1 kilo apples and half kilo oranges. Please write 5 kilo wheat flour too.
Okay. Let's go now.
So friends, I hope you listen to it carefully. For example, one answer is already given. How much sugar do they want to buy? So they want 2 kilos sugar. So in the same way, how much rice they want to buy, how much oil, how much milk, that everything is there in this audio. I hope you will be able to find out all the answers properly. If you do not understand, don't worry, we are going to discuss this activity when we have live class. Okay, so now let us discuss another activity. In this activity, we have speaking and practicing activity. Look at this shopping list. Here is the list of different items. It is shopping list. Which things do we buy at each shop? For example, here grapes, storybooks, fish, medicines, chocolate cake, jacket, carrots, t-shirts, notebooks and bandage. So this is the list of different types of items that we can buy from the market. Now on the next page we have another activity. Let us look at that activity. Here we have the pictures of different types of shops. Here bakery, fashion shop, bookworm bookshop, meat shop, green grocer and pharmacy. For example, from pharmacy what do we buy? Do we buy fruits? Do we buy cakes from the pharmacy? No. We can buy Band-Aid, which was there in that list on the previous page. Okay, so if you want to buy Band-Aid, you have to go to the pharmacy. In the same way, what are the things we can buy from which place, that you have to understand. So from bakery, what do we buy? We buy cakes, breads. These types of items we can buy from the bakery. See here storybooks. From where we can buy? Story bookshop, bookworm bookshop. So if you want to buy books, you have to go to this shop, not pharmacy or green grocery. So like it, I hope you understood. If you want to buy this particular thing, where you have to go, you have to understand it. Now another activity, you have to work in pairs. You will need another person to complete this activity. Take turns to ask and answer the question. One example is given here. See, where would you buy a kilo of carrots? If you want to buy carrots, so where you have to go? So at the green grocer. So this is the answer he has given. So like this, if he will ask, where would you buy a kilo of milk? Where would you buy band-aids? Where would you buy cakes? Answer will be different. Okay? In the previous activity we have discussed, if you want to buy cakes, you have to go to bakery. If you want to buy medicines, band-aids, you have to go to pharmacy. In the same way, for different items, we can go to different places. Now, here, role play work in pairs. Here also you have to work in pairs and role play a conversation between shopkeeper and a customer. Ask the price of things using the questions given below. If you want to know the price of something, what you want to buy, so how to ask for that? You can ask them, how much is a kilo sugar for? How much is 1 kilo sugar for? How much is 1 liter milk for? How much is 1 kilo wheat flour for? Like that you can ask, you can frame different types of questions using these phrases. How much are 8 bananas for? How much are 6 apples for? How much are 5 mangoes for? So this is how you can ask different types of questions. If you want to buy banana, if you want to buy carrots, you just have to use that particular word of the item and you can frame as many questions as possible. Now, I hope you understood all the activities we have discussed today, and in our next offline video, we will discuss the remaining activities. I hope you enjoyed today's live session. Till then, see you. Bye everyone.